Good morning. Kushanti. Assalamu alaikum. Dear friends, Muharram here. I hope you all are doing good out there by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Today I am going to Mubarak Haveli. Located in the heart of the walled city near Mochi gate, Mubarak Haveli stands as a proud symbol of the Lahore's Mughal and Sikh era legacy. It is a relic from a time when Lahore was the cultural and political center of the subcontinent. Mubarak Haveli was originally built in the 18th century by Bahadur Javed Khan, a noble and influential courtier during the period of Mughal Emperor Muhammad Shah Jahan. He ruled from 1719 till 1748. During the years of the Mughal Empire, Lahore fell into the political turmoil and control of important properties shifted frequently. In the early 19th century, when the Sikh rose to power under Maharaja Ranjit Singh, the Haveli was seized and became part of the Sikh nobility holdings. It is said that it served as a residence for some of the Maharaja's key generals, and that Khadak Singh, Ranjit Singh's son and successor, celebrated his marriage ceremony in this Haveli. Haveli is also known as the mansion. Following the annexation of Punjab by the British in 1849, many of Lahore's Havelis were divided or repurposed. Mubarak Haveli eventually came into the possession of the Fakir family, whose ancestor Fakir Azizuddin served as foreign minister to Maharaja Ranjit Singh and was a crucial diplomat as well during the British-Sikh negotiations. The Haveli showcases classical Mughal design, heavy red brick masonry, sprawling courtyards, beautifully carved wooden balconies and dome structures. It retains fading frescoes and intricate wooden charokas, reflecting the opulence of its era. Still owned by the Fakir family, Mubarak Haveli acts as a private residence and archive. Really amazing. The family has preserved rare manuscripts, paintings, and antiques, offering glimpses to Lahore's multicultural past. It is believed that important diplomatic meetings between the Sikhs and the British took place within Mubarak Haveli walls, making it not just an architectural marvel but a solid witness to the history. Really amazing, amazing, amazing. Beautiful, beautiful. What a construction work. I have no words to define the architecture work. Fabulous. Really, this mansion is amazing, amazing. Dear friends, here I would like to add something that the Haveli was originally constructed around a central courtyard, following the traditional chalk style, a typical design to ensure privacy and natural ventilation. Multiple levels, as you can see, ground and upper floors are connected through intricately designed staircases. Spacious halls, private rooms, and hidden passage reveal the lifestyle of nobility where family, guests, and servants had designated spaces. One of the most striking features is the wooden balconies, charokas, and intricately carved doors and windows. The wooden work showcases floral motifs and geometric patterns, hallmarks of traditional Mughal craftsmanship. Delicate stucco tracing decorates many of the walls and ceilings. Fresco paintings, although faded over time, still hint at the once vibrant use of colors, depicting floral themes, I must say, abstract designs, and calligraphy. The structure primarily uses the famous small reddish Lahori bricks, born with lime mortar, a material typical of Mughal-era construction. Walls are often finished with lime plaster that kept interiors cool during volatile summers. Elegant arches and thick ornate pillars dominate the structure, reflecting the influence of Islamic architecture. Some arches have multifold designs, adding grandeur to entryways and inner chambers. The Haveli rooftop were not just for aesthetics, they served as gathering places in the evenings, offering panoramic views of Lahore's old skyline. The presence of brasseries, open-sided pavilions on rooftops is the sign of luxury living, allowing residents to enjoy the breeze. Though parts of Mubarak Haveli have suffered from time and environmental damage, significant portions are still well preserved, especially the areas maintained by the Fakir family. Restoration efforts have been carried out privately to maintain its original glory, but large-scale government support conservation is still awaited. Dear friends, now going towards Nisar Haveli, located within the bustling streets near Mochi gate. Nisar Haveli stands today not just as a historic building but as a spiritual and cultural institution, especially revered during Muharram. Nisar Haveli was established in the early 19th century by Nisar Khan, a wealthy nobleman with close ties to the ruling Sikh court and the Muslim elite of Lahore. Nisar Khan was notable for his patronage of religious and cultural activities and for maintaining communal harmony during the Sikh and early British periods. The Haveli initially served as a private residence but evolved into a religious center as Lahore Shia community began using it for Muharram gatherings. By the mid-19th century, it became one of the main bases for organizing Azadari. Nisar Haveli boasts large open spaces necessary for majlis. Its high ceiling halls, broad wooden balconies, Mughal-style arches, and thick brick walls were designed to accommodate large number of people. The Haveli was locked, so I could not go inside. Here now it's Haveli is there, and it's very much amazing and unique. These narrow streets reminds me of Mughal, Sikh and colonial eras. Really fabulous. So almost near to Nisar Haveli, and this is Nisar Haveli. As I told you earlier, that cannot go inside because it's locked and did not got the permission as well. Let me tell you again, Nisar Haveli boasts large open spaces necessary for majlis. Its high ceiling, halls, broad wooden balconies, Mughal-style arches, and thick brick walls were designed to accommodate large numbers of people. Today, Nisar Haveli plays a central role during Muharram, with processions beginning here, particularly the famous Shabia Zuljana procession on the 9th and 10th of Muharram. Thousands of people from across the city gather here annually. The Haveli continues to be maintained by the descendants of Nisar Khan, ensuring that its religious and cultural significance is preserved. So, this gentleman Wasim gave me a good time. Noman, sorry. He gave me a good time and good knowledge about the old walled city. Really amazing, super is old Lahore. Hey friends, I take a leave, and before I take a leave, let me tell you something, that Pakistan is an amazing country. Come and explore Pakistan. Pakistan has a lot for the historians, for the researchers. Pakistan has a lot for those who love mountainous regions. Pakistan has a lot for those who love adventure. Pakistan has a lot for those who love to drive motorbikes. You can say off-road biking. Pakistan is a package. So, go visit Pakistan. Take care, dear friends. Enjoy the video. See you very soon at some other location. Till then, Allah Hafiz and goodbye.